If you have ever tried uninstalling Oracle 19c from Windows 11, you know it's not as simple as hitting uninstall, right? Leftover services, registry entries, and environment paths often stay behind, causing errors in your next installation. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to completely remove Oracle 19c from your Windows 11 system, step by step, the clean and safe way. Hi hello all, welcome back to DataSurface. In today's session, we are going to see 5 simple steps how we can completely uninstall Oracle 93 from your Windows machine. Let's dive in. The first step is we need to stop all Oracle services. For that, you can press Windows plus R, then you can type Services.msc, right? Then press enter. So it will open all the services which are running currently. From this, you need to look at for the what are the services names starting with the Oracle. So currently I can see these 5 services are running which are related to the Oracle. Let's stop these services first. You can just right click, either you can click stop here or you can click stop here. Why now all 5 services which are running related to the Oracle has been stopped now. Now the first step is successfully completed, right? Now let's move on to the step 2, delete Oracle 19c software from our machine. So go to the Windows, delete the Oracle 19c folder. Now move on to the step 3, manually remove the Oracle 19c leftovers. So now we have deleted one folder where we have installed it. So now let's check in other folders as well, and wherever that Oracle folder is present, we need to delete those leftovers as well. So go to the program files. See, Oracle folder is there. Just delete it. Now clean the all other leftover folders from other drives and folders as well. Let's move on to the step 4. Remove Oracle folders from registry. Now again press Windows R. Just type registry edit, regedit till last. Open the registry editor. Now here go to H key local machine and open software. Just delete the folder related to the Oracle one. Go back once again, open the system and open the current control set, expand it and go to services, and you can just try to find out if there are any Oracle related folders are available. Just delete those folders as well. So please make sure delete only Oracle related folders, otherwise our system wise might corrupt. Now move on to the step 5, remove Oracle path from environment variables. Just press Windows and you can type environment system, edit the system environment variables, and you can click on the environment variables and you can see the path system variables. You can just click on the edit and you can see the first path where the Oracle has installed exact location. So you can just copy this path and you can delete this particular path. Now go to that particular location. See if you are able to find out that particular folder. Now delete this particular folder as well. That's all. You can restart and verify your system once. SQL star plus, because that Oracle is completely removed. We cannot log in the. Open the command prompt. Type echo Oracle underscore o. See here, nothing written. Since the entire Oracle 19c got uninstalled from our Windows 11 machine, it is just showing the same. Otherwise, ideally it will return the where that Oracle was installed that particular path.
Oracle 19c
We have now performed a
fully
complete
removed.
Oracle 90c cleanup from Windows 11. If you are planning to install Oracle 23AI next, your system is ready. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to DataSurface and check out our next video where we will install Oracle 23AI step by step. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.